I am Miss Laura Merritt. In my audience today I have Kamani Billingsley, the cameraman Mr. Kendrick Merritt, and my oldest son Joshua Merritt. Now today I want to elaborate a little bit. We've been going over the communication sheets. We've been going over our time sheets. We've been going over the importance of filling out your time sheets correctly. I handed this out to y'all about 3 weeks ago, and I ask everyone, when you sign these time sheets, if you want to get paid, they have to be filled out correctly. If they're not filled out correctly, you will not get paid. So what I asked you to do, on the top here is where you would put the employee name. Then you will put the employee, his or her ID, which would be me. And then the participant, and then the participant here, well, the employee name will be each individual, whoever is working for that day. All of you have to put your name here on the top, and then the participant name, you put the participant down here, meaning that that's the person you've been giving care to, plus his ID number. Okay, I need you to sit down while we do this, okay? Thank you, sweetie. Also, here you have to sign your name here, the employee signature, your name here first, and then when you bring them back to my office, I will sign them here where the employer signature goes. Do we understand? Okay, and then here on the side, you have to also put your date. Whatever the month is, you get paid from the first. Your time goes in from the 1st through the 15th, and the second time is from the 15th through the 30th or the 31st. That's when you send your time sheets in. But you have to put your time. You have to do, if you're on an 8-hour shift, you put your hours in for 8 hours. If you're on a split shift, you do from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. And then the next shift you will come in will be from 4 p.m. from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. But you have to put your bubbles in the correct way. You have to sign whether it's going to be AM care or it's going to be PM care. Now, what I did to make it easier for you guys, I went on and put the PSS in there. And that means that you're doing the patient service care. And so we just put PSS there. And if that is not, if you ever get a sheet and that is not there, then you must let me know, or you need to go ahead and put PSS, because if everything is not filled in correctly on these sheets, you will not get paid. So let's say, for instance, that you miss a date on here and you just put one error on this sheet, we would have to send it right. There was Ackerman Fiscal will send us our sheets right back, and we have to do them all over again. So that's going to delay your pay. That means you are already late. So you'll have to wait to the next pay period in order to get paid again. So it's very important, it's very vital that you all fill these sheets out accurately and correctly as possible, because you do want to get paid, and you do have things that you have to do. You have to pay your bills. I got to pay my bills, so I can't keep coming out of our personal account in order to pay people when you don't turn in your timesheets on time, when you don't fill them out accurately. And if I don't sign them and you don't send them to me before you fax these sheets off, you will not get paid. And in order to get paid, you got to follow the rules. It's as simple as that. You got to send the stuff in. You got to make sure everything is dated, signed correctly, and it's got to be on time. We don't have a time period as to what time it have to be in, because this stuff goes all the way up to Illinois. So their time is a little bit off, a little different, I believe, from ours. So you don't have to worry about the time as long as it's in the day before. Like, let's say if it's the 16th, you have to send your timesheets in. That means on the 16th, that day, it needs to be faxed off and sent out. On the 17th, you're considered late, and they're not going to pay you for it. Then your bill's not going to get paid. You're not going to be able to go do your grocery shopping. You're not going to be able to do your personal things that you have to do. So it's very important, ladies and gentlemen, that you fill out your timesheets accurate so that you can get paid on time. Anybody have any questions? Thank you very much.